Welcome to the channel and thank you for joining us today. In this video, I will show you how to hide the soft keys in the Naver Whale Browser on your mobile device so you get more screen space and a cleaner look for browsing. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, find and tap on the Change Layout option. Once you are in the Layout options, scroll down through the list until you find the option to hide softkeys. Then, you will see a toggle switch next to Hide Softkeys. Tap the switch to turn it on, and the softkeys will disappear, giving you more space for content on the screen. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with others. Thanks for watching.